Bandit early bird train is rolling. Choo 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 choo. Next up is Moneybell. January 12th, college basketball. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, and make a donation. It's good karma for you. Money Commanded, the #1 ranked, 100% free sports capper in the world. No credit cards needed. No $1,000 season package deals. No $100 weekend package deals. And guess what? No $30 a day package deals. 100% free. Who doesn't like free? And be sure to play Monica Bandit's Fade or No Fade game. It's a fun game and it's free. Be on the lookout for the early bird special video each day. First game of the day. The late night special. Have you been losing all day? You need a winner? Bandit's got your back with the late night special video. Be on the lookout for the #1 best play of the day video. And Lucky Flip a Coin. Money Bandit, the #1 ranked Flip a Coin pro sports capper in the world. Do you know any other pro sports cappers with a lucky flip a coin? There's none. Zero. Moneymaker's the only one with a lucky coin. College basketball early bird special, January 12th. Akron at Northern Illinois. Moneymaker Bandit playing Akron, -9 points full game. Akron, -9 points full game. Will you fade or no fade? Monarch Bandit. Tell you all the time, fade Monarch Bandit 20, 30, 40% of the time. Check out JP in the comments. He's the fade or no fade game master. He's fading Monarch Bandit all the time. Making money. Monarch Girl.